Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ActiveCampaign affiliate tracking for performance-driven promotions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install ActiveCampaign affiliate tracking for performance-driven promotions, begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the settings section located in the left sidebar of the dashboard. Once in settings, look for the tracking option in the menu. Click on tracking to access tracking settings. You will see an option labeled Site Tracking. Enable site tracking if it's not already activated. Next, scroll down to the area labeled Campaigns. Here, look for the Referral Tracking option. Activate Referral Tracking to enable the affiliate tracking feature. Proceed to set up your affiliate links. To do this, go to the Lists section in the left sidebar. Select the list you want to assign. Once you have selected the list, click on Manage and then Edit. Find the section for tracking parameters. Here, enter your preferred tracking parameters such as campaign name and affiliate ID. Save your changes to ensure your tracking parameters are stored. Now, create a new campaign that you will use for your affiliate promotions. Go to the Campaigns section and click on Create a Campaign. Choose your campaign type and click Next. In the campaign setup, ensure that your tracking settings are configured correctly. Use the referral tracking parameters you set up earlier. Continue through the campaign setup process and customize your content. After designing your campaign, review all your settings. Once you're satisfied, click Next to proceed to the summary. Finally, click on Send Now or schedule your campaign for later. Your ActiveCampaign affiliate tracking is now set up and ready for performance-driven promotions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.